If you forgot your X username, don't worry, because there is a very simple way to find it again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your forgotten X, formerly Twitter, username using the official forgot password method. This is one of the easiest ways to get your exact username sent directly to your email, without guessing or making a new account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the X login page. You can do this on your phone or on a computer, and the process works the same either way. Once you're on the sign-in screen, look for the option that says Forgot Password. This is the key step because even though you are not trying to reset your password right now, X uses this recovery flow to help identify your account. Tap or click Forgot Password, then enter the email address or phone number that is linked to your X account. Make sure you use the email or phone number you normally signed up with because this is what X will use to find your account details. After you enter your information, continue to the next step and wait for the recovery message. X will send a message to your email inbox with account recovery details, and in many cases, that message will include your exact username. So now, open your email app or email inbox and check for the message from X or Twitter. If you do not see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. When you find the email, open it carefully and look for the username associated with your account. This is usually the fastest way to confirm the exact handle you used on X. If you have multiple X accounts connected to the same email, be sure to read the message closely so you choose the right one. Once you find your username, write it down somewhere safe or save it in a password manager so you don't lose it again later. If you want to make recovery even easier in the future, you should also update your account recovery email and phone number inside your X settings once you're able to sign back in. That way, if you ever forget your login details again, you'll have a much smoother recovery process. And that's it. That's how to fix it if you forgot your X.com or Twitter username using the official Forgot Password feature. It only takes a few minutes, and it can save you a lot of stress if you need to get back into your account quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.